So up to this stage, we want to learn only axis is perpendicular to HP, axis is perpendicular to VP, axis is parallel to HP and parallel to VP. Now we want to start the question number 9. Draw the projections of a cylinder 75 millimeter diameter and 100 millimeter long lying on the ground with its axis is inclined 30 to HP, 30 to 30 to the VP and parallel to the ground. So once here in question number 9, here this is cylinder, base diameter is 75 millimeter. So 75 millimeter diameter base, axis is 100 millimeter long, and they given that it makes angle 30 degrees to the VP. So pi is given 30 degrees. So these are the data given in the problem. So once the axis is inclined to VP, first you want to assume that the axis is perpendicular to VP. Once axis is perpendicular to VP, first you want to draw front view is first. Front view means for a cylinder, So why? Because in the front view, the cylinder shape, that is circle, we want to observe in the front view. That's why here. Why? Because here we want to draw initial stage, final stage. That means 4 figures we want to draw. That's why take more space. You require. So this is XY line. Why? Because once it is axis is inclined to VP means you want to assume that axis is perpendicular to VP. Once axis is perpendicular to VP, then once you want to draw front view. Why? Because front view gives the true shape. True shape means circle. So first you want to draw circle 75 millimeter diameter. So diameter is 75 millimeter diameter. So but here already you know in the projections circle is converted into ellipse. That's why you want to divide it circle into minimum 8 parts. 8 parts means horizontal, vertical, plus here angle is 90, take 45. Take 45 means take off. So off. Here also angle 45, take off. So in this way you want to give the numberings. So here A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, G dash and H dash. Plus here for cylinder there are 2 edges. That's why this is one edge and the second edge. This is 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash, 6 dash, 7 dash, 8 dash. This diameter is simply 75. Pi is 75 millimeter diameter. Once front view is over, just to draw top view. For all the divisions, you want to make the lines light lines. Don't go more thick lines. Just draw light lines. By using drafter, you want to draw light lines. So for this edge, one line, the 2 points coincide in a single line. See, you want to see the 2 points coincide in a single line. That's why single line. Here, this point, all are coincide in the single line. Here, this point and this point, both are coincide in a single line. So here we want to get 5 lines. So give some gap. First, you want to put it as gap is your interest. First, you want to draw one edge. Here, height is 100. So that's why here you want to take 100. So outer edge you must make thick with HB pencil. So here this height is 100. So this height is 100. 100. So suppose this is A, this is C, and this is E. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Similarly, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8. So this is the axis. Axis means line, dot, line, dot, line, dot, line, dot, line. So in this way you want to draw top view is a rectangle, front view is a circle. Why? Because this is for initial stage figures. Give some gap. Gap is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter gap. Here axis it makes angle 30 with VP. Axis it makes angle 30 with VP. That's why give some gap. Gap is your interest. Now here at this point you want to implement angle 30. Angle 30. So here you want to draw angle 30 angle. Just extend the line. How much we don't know. Just first you want to extend the line with H pencil. After that, this rectangle is you want to draw in this way. In this way. For this purpose, this axis is 10. So that's why whenever you want to take axis is 10, choice is yours. First you want to take choice is 10 axis. So this is 10 axis length. After that, this diameter is 75. 75 means 37.5 left, 37.5 bottom, 37.5 up, 37.5 bottom. So in this way you want to take it as here it vertically you want to take, you want to draw them. Vertically, same size figure you want to draw here. Same cylinder you want to draw here once again. By using compass, how much gap is here? How much gap is here? You want to transfer here and here. So this is the angle 30. Why? Because it makes angle 30 degrees with VP, but this end don't touch with this XY line. That's why give some gap. Then you want to draw here. So here this is A, this is B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Similarly here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once you want to complete this top view, just draw final front view. So by using drafter you want to draw all projectors from A, from B, from C, from D, from E. Similarly from 1 draw vertical, from 1, from 2, from 3, from 4, from 5. Extend the lines. How much we don't know. First you want to extend the lines up to some distance by using drafter. Don't use by hand. After that, once the projectors are over, then draw horizontal projectors. Horizontal. Horizontal. By using drafter, you want to draw parallel lines parallel to reference line XY. In this way you want to draw. Then take 2 fingers. One finger is at A, one finger is at A dash. Both where they are meeting each other, that is A1 dash, B and B dash, where they meet each other. So this is B1 dash, this is C, C1 dash, and this is D, D1 dash, this is E, E1 dash, this is F, F1 dash, this is G, G1 dash, this is H, H1 dash. Similarly, figure, this is one finger is at 1, one finger is at 1, where they meet each other, the point is 1. So this is 1, 1 dash, this is 2, 1 dash, this is 3, 1 dash, this is 4, 1 dash, this is 5, 1 dash, this is 6, 1 dash, this is 7, 1 dash, this is 8, 1 dash. In this way, first you want to fix the points. But this is the top view. When you want to see in the front view, this edge is clearly visible. Why? Because in this way, this edge is clearly visible. That's why you want to join all these points with thick line. This is for ellipse. Why? Because circle is converted into ellipse. So condition is satisfied. This is completely thick circle. Thick ellipse, not circle, this is ellipse. But here, when you want to see in the direction, this edge, this corner is not visible. So the corner, this is not visible. That's why from corner to this edge, from corner to this edge, they are not visible. That's why these are dotted lines. So C dash to D dash, these are dotted lines. This is curvature. That's why just like a curve, you want to put the dots here, but this is curve. So here we want to get one ellipse, but here complete ellipse we want to draw. Why? Because this is clearly visible, but by manual hand only you want to join these ones like an ellipse. So this is one edge, this is one edge. After that you want to join them by a rectangular faces. So this is rectangular face, this is rectangular face. Then this is center means axis. So this line means axis means line dot line dot line, line dot line dot line dot line dot line dot line. So herely you have the, after completion of this figure, these extra lines you want to erase it, these extra lines you want to erase it, these extra lines you want to erase it, this extra line you want to erase it. See, you want to observe that when the cylinder is axis is inclined to 30 degrees, that axis must be parallel to XY, means parallel to HP. So whenever the axis is inclined to VP, that axis must be parallel to HP. So that's why this solid is clearly visible in this shape. Why? Because circle is converted into the ellipse, circle is converted ellipse, but this base is clearly visible like a ellipse, but this end is not clearly visible. That's why some part is hidden back side, some part is goes to visible at front side. So front side portion is visible, back side portion is not visible, but this portion like inclination nature, that's why clearly visible. So in this way you want to draw the projection of cylinders for front view and top view if axis is inclined to VP.